You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing Hebrew names, biblical names pronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you want to learn from. It seems that the most common pronunciation in English is as Azaria, Azaria. Some may say it as Azaria as well, or can be pronounced also as Azaria or Azariah. There could be different pronunciations. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from? Which origin, which country are you from, or region and language? And how do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Do you pronounce it Azaria as well? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.